Opposition leader and former chief executive officer of the COVID-19 task force, Joseph Harmon, on Friday pushed back against the government's decision to reduce the hours of curfew and reopen Guyana's airports as the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths continued to rise. Harmon, while speaking during a virtual press conference, said the move by government is reckless as he asked for reconsideration of the latest version to the COVID-19 measures and guidelines.
They again offered to lend our significant skills in addressing this national health issue. The following day, the government, in what can only be described as a reckless move, announced, among other measures, the reduction in curfew hours from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. The airport was announced to be reopened to receive commercial traffic in this month of October, I believe the 11th of October. These measures are announced at a time when we are seeing daily increases in the number of confirmed cases and death from the virus.
At a cabinet meeting on Wednesday, the government took a decision to reduce the 12-hour curfew from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. The curfew now stands at 9 p.m. to 4 a.m., 5 hours less than what was previously in place. The government also announced that it intends to reopen the country's 2 international airports on October 12. The airports have been closed since March 2020. The reopening could allow for scheduled commercial flights, and all persons entering Guyana have to test negative before they are allowed to board a flight. But Harmon believes that this is contrary to professional advice. He said it seems these new measures are geared towards satisfying business interests over the health of people.
This response from government appears contrary to professional advice and places the need to satisfy business interests over the health of our people. In this environment, we urge every Guyanese to take their individual safety measures seriously. Wear a mask in public and even at workplaces or venues where social distancing rules are violated. Secondly, practice safe social distancing. Thirdly, avoid too much physical contact with persons. Fourthly, wash your hands regularly and use a hand sanitizer where you cannot wash your hands regularly. It is advisable that you get your own sanitizer, as we are advised that in some offices and public places, the hand sanitizers are being diluted. Advise your friends, advise your neighbors to observe these rules. Observe the rules for safety and enforcement of the COVID-19 laws as announced by the government.
Director General of the Civil Aviation Authority, Egbert Field, had said that he would support the reopening of the airport with the COVID-19 guidelines in place that would allow for strict testing before and upon arrival. He had expressed confidence that it can be done safely. The government also announced on Thursday that it would deploy a total of 500 army ranks to assist the police in enforcing the COVID measures in place, which remain stern on gatherings of large groups of persons. Kurt Campbell, Newsroom.